What's up, guys? E-Bike Scott here. I got some really exciting news. In about 3 days, I'm going to be driving all the way to Pennsylvania to pick up a 2016 Zero FX. It may not be a big thing to you guys, but I've been looking at buying them since they had their Generation 1, those white ugly ones with the E-Tex and the Sevcon controllers and tons of issues. But I stumbled across a 2016. It's a FX 6.5. It only has 650 miles on it. I'm going to be leaving Friday morning to go pick it up. It's all the way out in Pennsylvania. It's about a 250-mile drive each way. But it is only Tuesday, and I have until Friday to go pick up the Zero. So right now I'm just ripping the Death Veloci. It's a gorgeous day. It's about, I don't know, 5:45 in the afternoon. And I'm at my normal trails that I always ride, and I'm about to hit up the Connecticut trails again. But without further ado, this is Excited Scott counting down the hours till I drive 5 hours each way to Pennsylvania to go pick up this 2016 Zero FX 6.5. I'll finally have a street legal bike, so I won't be riding these super illegal death bikes all over the place. But that also means that I have to give money to the old government. I got to put it on the road and get registration and all that good jazz. Well, I went back to the Connecticut trails and I finally passed the muddy area. I found a single track trail that go all the way around it. And I am out at this beautiful clearing. You can see my bike way down there. My bike's way down there, because I climbed up this giant hill and I'm standing on top of this really big rock. There's tons of them everywhere. I have a beautiful view of the hilltop and the sunset right now. Look at this one random tall tree that's 20 feet taller than every other one. What are you doing, tree? But it's just a beautiful day out. It's really warm when the sun's on you. But as soon as the sun goes down, it's gonna get cold quick. You can see my shadow down there on my bike. Hello, shadow. These next 2.5 days are gonna go by so slow, it's not even funny. But it's E-Bike Scott signing out. All right, guys, we made it all the way to Thursday. I don't know how I'm getting through this week, but I went to the bank. I took out the money needed for the motorcycle. Today is the day. I am here. I'm at the gas station filling up. I got ramps in the back of my truck. I got tie-down straps. Let's do this. I'm going to get the bike. All right, the truck is full of fuel and the GPS says 5-hour drive. Let's do this. We are officially only 1.5 miles from the house, and I gotta say, man, Pennsylvania is absolutely beautiful. Everything out here is just farmlands, rolling hills, and it's a gorgeous day, so everything's blooming, it's green, it smells amazing. Man, this is the place to be right here. I don't think I've ever been into Pennsylvania like this, not into the farmlands and these small roads. But man, this is something else. Amazing. So nice. I can't wait to get to this house. In 1 mile, turn right. 2016, right? This is the FX 6.5. Man, Pennsylvania is absolutely beautiful, man.
It is.
Whew.
It absolutely
Coming over that bridge in that small town and all the farmlands.
Yep, that's...
Just with the windows down, it smells beautiful.
Yeah.
Everywhere.
I have my own piece of heaven up here.
Oh man, this place is nice. I thought Massachusetts had some nice areas, but man, down here, yeah, this thing looks nice, man.
Thanks.
Really
My
nice.
last job was in Massachusetts. It's like, that's the last place I was out of state. Yep.
Well, I've never actually seen a Zero up close in person. Man, these things rip. Even in eco mode, it's just enough to put a...
My neighbor said, he put it in sport mode once and got on it, and it just came around on him. He's like, all right, not doing that again.
Yeah, I was watching videos last night of people that lose it in corners because it has so much acceleration. It just, the ass end breaks out. All right, she's in the back of the truck. Well, I bought the thing. I bought the bike. I own a Zero. I can't believe it. It's in the back of the truck. You can see it right now. Sale went great. Seems like a stand-up guy. Beautiful house. Runs a business. I don't have any worries about that. But I just got to drive home 5 hours and obviously get gas because I'm almost on E. And try to get this thing out of the back of my truck alone. That'll be fun. Man, this thing rips. I just left it in eco mode. I mean, I didn't even have a helmet on, and I just drove it down the street for maybe a quarter of a mile, and I was sold. That's what Zero loves about these things. They put you in the seat and you fall in love on your first test drive. And then you realize you can only go 50 miles and the battery's dead and it takes 8 hours to charge. And then people come to the realization that it's not as fun as they thought. But I don't care. I'm an electrical vehicle enthusiast, and I want one. I've always wanted one, and now I have one. I got the title, the VIN number matches, I got a set of keys, I got a set of keys to take the batteries out. The guy said he owned it from new. He bought it from his neighbor. His neighbor bought it brand new, and he bought it off of him. And he's only put 200 miles on it. The neighbor put 450 on it. It's only 658 miles on this thing. It's pretty nice. All right, I'm on my second tank of gas, and I am on my way home, and it looks like I only got a little under an hour left. It's been about an 11-hour round trip, and man, am I sick of driving. My crazy dogs are excited to see me after I was gone all day driving. Well, it's official. It's back at the house. I just drove it around the block, got it up to like 70 miles an hour in eco mode. A little dirty, needs some cleaning. The guy lived on a rocky dirt road. His belt's a little dirty. So is the motor. But I mean, the thing has hardly been used. It's 7 years old, and it only has 663 miles on it. That is nothing at all.